It's Victor here, and today I'm in Karura Forest we are going to do a trail walk in this place together with the local guides from Nairobi and Kisumu. Apparently we were here the other day, that is yesterday, for the Google crowdsource Kenya, and we decided to do a walk to this place. Yeah. So right now we are heading to the pond. We're trying to locate the pond where it is and see if it's there. Actually it's really dry, so maybe it dried up. So let's go check it out. This place is really nice. So we are done with this pond. We are going to, next stop will be the waterfall. Then after waterfall, there's some caves. We are going to visit all that. Yeah. Yeah. So they have this checkpoint where they search your bag so that see if you have matchsticks. Of course, you know what the reason why they ask for matchsticks? Because you can light up fire and then it causes a hazard and burn the whole forest down. So they ask you for the matchsticks. Also water bottles. They don't allow water bottles. So you have to either drink the water or leave it with them so you can pick it later. Apart from that, also no CDs, like the CDs. They don't allow that for obvious reasons. Such are the places that make you appreciate Wangari Maathai. This place is heaven. It's heavenly.
Caching is called the world's largest treasure hunt. Yeah, sounds exciting. It is, but just like local guides, there's no money involved. Yeah. So people hide things all over the world. They just hide a box with a log.
Virtually.
Yeah?
Virtually.
No, physically.
Yeah.
Physically. So they hide them, and then and then anyone who would like to go and find them, you need an excuse to get out of the house.
Oh, it's sort of like a treasure hunt.
Yeah.
Then you go and look for it. So there's no a big prize when you get there. The aim is to get you out, see a different place, see a new place, stop by a new place you didn't stop by before. It's mostly in forests. So there's
And
a lot
monuments also.
Yeah, some. But in Kenya, most of them are actually around in Karura. So if you want to do it, you download an app called Log it. It's free. So the app looks like this. So when you open it and you log in and stuff, this is us, the blue point. You know how that looks like. So these are all the geocaches. description. I'll say now that I replaced it. So when you find it, they're usually up. So you just write your name. And then on the app, because that's how it started. Kitambo, it started in the year 2000. Hakukuwa na app in the year 2000.
Ile kwa ile ya map ile.
Ulikuwa unaandika hizo coordinates. What? Unaweka kwa map alafu usijui ulikuwa hata unafuataje. Before
Niyo mjeka download later.
Ndio hapo.
Kipicha na nataka.
You might be wondering what this guy is doing with this weird looking camera. So he's doing 360 street view with the V camera. So he's taking a 360 view of this path all along. So finally we have just arrived at the waterfall and it's behind us. So guys, that's it about the waterfall. Right now we are heading to the caves. Though I hear the caves is not as big as you had imagined.
Hello.
Are you listening?
Ndile caves.
Oh, is it?
Mama?
Hi. Is that a cave?
I think so, yeah.
What are the caves up? This is a cave.
That's a cave.
You need cave. You need soil erosion, man.
Pale. Let me go and see. No. Definitely not a cave. I want to see these caves, Maze. Eh?
Kufuata path iko wapi nini? Kwenda off road ndio ku explore.
Exactly. Mainstream is for boring people.
Hii inakaa scary. Hii scary.
Kuingia.
Hii inakaa inaweza nini? Inaweza crumble saa hizi.
We end up in the AM news. The PM news.
Breaking news. Gentlemen are smart.
Hiki is a slide. Inaweza.
Maybe kuna ile time.
Maybe today could be that. Today inaweza kuwa sasa hiyo siku. So, asante.
Oh, hiyo ndio mganda yake.
Yeah, this is now a cave.
Kwani kuna zingine zinajitoa. Hii ni ile ile.
This is now a cave. Now I'm talking about something like this. Quest.
Yep.
Now this is a cave.
Sasa hivi unaweza ingia hii hapa ina shida. Huko mwisho kuna panga na bats.
So this is it, guys. Here is the caves, Karura Caves. Aim today was to see the waterfall and the caves, and I think we have done that. So that's been it, guys. Like the video if you did, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and if you are into this kind of videos, and see you in the next one. Peace.